going to prepare our oven, which is going to be on our stove. We got like a heavy pot, and in it we're going to pour salt, or you could pour sand if you want to. And then you need a stand which you're going to place on the salt or sand. And then you're going to turn it on a low flame and let it preheat. Don't forget to grease your tray with a little bit of oil and flour. The ingredients we are using is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, a quarter cup of butter, half a cup of sugar or to taste, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Firstly, beat your butter and sugar together until it's nice and fluffy, and the butter should slightly change in colour. Then add in 1 egg at a time and beat. Then add in your cardamom powder and beat. After that, sieve in your flour and baking powder. After that, pour in your mixture into your greased tray and even out the mixture as best as you can. Then put your cake into your oven on your stove and let that bake for 30 to 35 minutes. After that, with a clean toothpick, check your cake. If the toothpick comes out clean and there's no mixture on it, that means your cake is fully baked, and you can take it out and leave it to cool down. And that's it, your cardamom sponge cake is complete, and you didn't even need an oven. It's nice and fluffy and delicious, and kids will definitely enjoy this. So be inspired, try new things, and conquer amazing skills. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below on what you'd like to see next, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. And follow us on Instagram. So thanks for watching. Bye.